Well, hello everyone. Hi everybody. Thank you for being here on my channel. And today's episode, what we're gonna change the transfer and the differential gear oil on this Corolla GR, the 25 Premium Plus. Right now I'm like 990 something miles, close to 1,000 miles. Last time that I did it on my previous GR, I did it when I was 5,000, but there was a lot of metal and components. So I said might as well that I did oil change at 624. Now let's go ahead and change both fluids at the same time before they go 1,000 miles. I'm gonna show you step by step how I'm gonna do it personally, and we go from there. Any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to just write or anything. I'll try to respond to as many people as I can. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, now it's nice and clean. And this one, which is the drain plug, has this black mark on it, contrary to the area that we're gonna fill. And these are 4 washers. I'll replace them. See, it has like 2 sides. So the flat part is gonna go this way. Right there. Same thing. The flat area goes down. So I'm gonna have it just like this. Let's go ahead and proceed to replace this one, torque to 29, and start filling up the car. And start filling up the oil. It was right there. We're ready to pump. So I always suggest to cover this area because if you put too much, it's gonna have some overflow. Okay. Okay, there's no more leaks. So now I'm gonna clean and proceed to the other one to 29 pounds. Okay, so we have two. We have one here, and then we have this one right here on the top. So the one on the top is the one we're gonna take care of. Right here, it's also a 10 hex. I'm gonna proceed and remove and drain. With the black mark. Now there's no more dripping, so we're gonna proceed to close. Before I put the cover on, I'm going to turn on the vehicle, leave it there for running for like a couple of minutes maybe, and see if there's any fluids coming out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to a quick, now we're gonna do a quick test drive. I'm not gonna put any covers right now to see if there's I see any leaks after I do that. But if it's fine, then close it up, and that's